Well, going up on this was today is going to be on yes, Foota Hype again. Foota Hype choose to answer MUMZELL and FLEXX after they did the live together. As for FLEXX, I honestly don't think FLEXX was going to answer Foota Hype anymore. I think he's going to stand by him word. Maybe MUMZELL. I want to know Foota Hype style. So Foota Hype post back the video of him son OMARI, and that's the son that FLEXX thought was his. I'm a blur it in first. If you want to see me, if you check Foota Hype page for that. But this is what Foota Hype have to say after him see the video with MUMZELL and.
Now, people in this, you might hear my father name mentioned certain time, but this live is not about my father. Zin, this live is not about my father. Right now, my father got through him thing, and him have him own problem. But the only reason why my father name I got call, because some of the situation them I mention directly involve my father. Today, I not hold back nothing. I gotta just talk. Whether legal or illegal, I gotta just talk. Since everybody attack, and I try to make Foota look like this bad person, I gotta tell you today upon the live here, things we wanna never know. Zin? Alright. So, I have people like Junior King and two other people in my life when we will reason with on a level about things, right? Certain life making decision, me reason with Junior King, me reason with Royal Entertainment, me reason with Mr. B, my brethren, and me reason with the Rev, where I'm done, me not have to hide that. Zine before me do nothing at all. Me have people who I consult with because there's no great king without great advisors. Zine? So I don't want to feel like say me as a youth to just get up and run up and do be a fucker. See? Alright. Why me I do that live here now is because me literally tired for help people and the same people them come round come diss me dog. When me say that now, me I talk about flexing the complex. See? Reason, me I tell you the reason why me I come today I talk about flex again. Because me tired. MUMZELL, me I go reason with her about me I go give her a chance to come speak the truth. Me I go give her a chance because she said, remember me block her you know, off her original page. But she same one say, Zine, she same one say, she have a next page that she follow me after. So if she want to join the live after that page there, and instead of them attack and me attack, the two of we can talk one time on the live. You understand what me I say? So me I say, if she want come join the live, come hear she say a whole heap of thing, but she left out a whole heap of thing. So would I like, since them bring it public and it's a public thing, make we no. My black MUMZELL have her original page, but she have her next page over here. See me, one page me black. So what me I say is, I can't take the talk back a thing. And you see everything we're going to discuss today, me have witnesses where me can join to the live. If them say a lie me I tell, me can join them to the live, the witness them, and the witness them declare. Me I go show you today, say me, Foota Hype, every single one of them. We say Foota ungrateful and in bad mind and in my pussy. Me do things for them. We change them life. Them no do nothing for me. We change my life and make my life better. Me do things we make them life change and better. And I gonna prove it today. Any one of them want forward. Any one of my enemy them where you hear burn me out and say them not like Foota. Tell them join the live today from the Conscience, the Mavado, the FLEXX, the MUMZELL, any one of them. Tell them join the live today. Make we settle all of this. Who's bad mind and who is real and who is that and who is that. Me not have to unblock MUMZELL. She watch this right now. Me not have to unblock her. She's watching this right now. Or she not have to watch it, but she can watch it on her next phone. She have her business page, she can join the live. Zine? See it, them come with the fake page. Foota Hype, you need a tongue ring, you chat too much. That now gonna make me stop when me I say today. Now people, why me come on live today, on a Sunday, and I can address this. Me get a message from a vlogger. Zine? The vlogger screenshot. No, this is not a war. We're not talk about love and unity. This is not a war. Remember social media depending on. So we are addressing it on social media. Remember FLEXX not see me and lick me in my face. MUMZELL not see me and lick me in my face. Nobody not do me in a physical harm. So me not think for do nobody in a physical harm. Then bring it to social media. So I'm going to deal with it on social media. Right? Today, I do my yard. I see a vlogger or a blogger, what you call it. DM me. Zine, I show me say, then me tell FLEXX if you join the live, right? FLEXX I got in return said to the woman, say, me not straight. And me a pussy or whatever because him booked me for him party. More than one party too. And then me didn't know say me a pussy against him and make him book me. But I'm asking the people, when somebody books somebody, you have to pay them, right? When you book somebody, is when you put on a deposit and pay them. And them obligated for pull up at your party, right? Right? No, would like FLEXX or MUMZELL or MUMZELL can lend him her phone because him block me or him can unblock me and join the live. FLEXX, have you ever paid me for a party? We not talk about foreign, because foreign and now. See, make we talk about Jamaica over the 20 years when me know you. Over the 20 years when me know you, FLEXX. Have you ever paid me a single dime for anything in life? You ever pay me for your party? Where you tell people say you book me where? Please show your cash up, show your Zelle. Tell them how much money you pay me now. Please, me I beg you. Tell me where you say you book Foota and I give people the impression say you book Foota and Foota style you. Tell the people them which day, which date, which bank, which roadside, which where you ever give me $1. When I always me help out you youth. You booking Foota hype for your party can't help Foota hype FLEXX. You're no bigger than Foota hype. Foota hype playing for FLEXX is giving FLEXX party a good look. I was contributing to you so you can eat a food. Remember that good. Just remember that good that you have never paid me for anything. You have never, you don't have it. From Jamaica days, you ever pay me for one party? You ever pay me if you play one party ever in your life? Just let's join the live. I want you to join the live. We don't want to cuss and be ignorant and make it look dark like we are war. See? I know woman caused this, Tina. This is not what woman caused. This is what people want to please the internet and come attack in favor of the crowd swinging their way. See? Them want the crowd swing them way if you say them are the good youth and Foota the pussy. Cause Foota this. You tell people say you book me. What book me mean? FLEXX, you never book me yet in a life. Never ever. You don't have it. Me boss before. You never boss. So let's not even say who boss first. Everything where you achieve around Mavada. No me boss Mavada, brother. So the same way for my strength you receive. Tell the people. Because we're going to go through all of history now. Tell the people them. One of the biggest arguments me and Mavada have. If I'm not true, me I defend you. Make a reason. And you have to join the live. And come tell me when me I tell the lie. You understand? Boom. You have a youth named Deviant. We want a car, man. Zane? Make a reason now. People, nothing when I can tell you on the line. Sweep on my heart. You have a youth named Deviant. Have a business place for all up road. Like when you go up to stadium there, so. Have a car, man. The link make with Deviant. Zane? Deviant comes up, man. It's like FLEXX go check him and him and FLEXX work out a deal. Pan a under Tanya. All I remember Flex with a white under. One Tanya Jamaica. Zine, Predator have the grey Accord, Flex have the white Tanya. Zine, Devian must tell Flex say, yo, 11 Movada dub, and me gear the car. At them time, the Movada charge about 700 to a grand for a dub. Movada act like fire. Zine, but that's what I say, you know, people, when I'm Martin, no me not trouble Flex. He might tell bloggers saying book me. More know which stage in a life Flex ever have money for book me. Zine, so I'm going to say now, make a reason. Because today is Sunday, I have time. And I have to sugarcoat my story and I plan my story just the truth. J.A., you over here say deal with situation after the internet. You never tell Flex that? You never tell Flex that, brother B? So don't tell me that now when me attack. See J.A. the people, make I add J.A. to the live. Because him have some story too, you know. Make I add J.A. to the live. If him willing, because him and Flex apart, so let me add J.A. to the live. I ask him who to get paid for your dance. Because he's a truth man, you know. I'm not tell lie, you know. He's a man of truth. J.A.
Foota, boy, you can't say me not tell him. Me tell him the same thing what me just tell him.
J.A. Flex book me for dancer?
I mean, book you for the party still.
Okay, what me tell you, sir? What did I tell you?
Eh?
What me did tell you, sir?
You say I choose me, I do it still. Me not gonna lie. You say I choose me, I do it. You say I really, if I did just like say wouldn't do it. You see me? But you say I really can't do it. You see me?
You not show me a vibes. You not show me a vibes. And me say blood clot. If I have vibes, I'm worse. I go do it.
Yeah.
And the vibes they no pan fiend side. So if me a fight him, who to do it? You understand me? I say, bro, God? No. What me earth find a J.A. Come remember we don't talk about this and the youth and done with the youth, you know. Yeah. Why did you tell people saying book me?
But here we go now. As me just I said take it off our internet, because here we go on. Right now the time it's a situation with you and him sensitive, you know. And him hurt, you know, you have to look on it and say.
No, but me hurt too.
Huh? Yeah, me get
too.
Me get that. Me get say 200 hurt. That's why me even say, yo, you know, say if you just deal with it off our internet.
Yeah, but why the lies? Why the lies? Why the lies? Yeah? Let's be big man and be real. Why the lies? When I tell lie about him book for J.A. all know me not get $1 for the dance. Me come there, I buy champagne, how much bottle of champagne, and me not drink. Me not drink, but me come there, me know a phone thing, and me still spend the money.
Yeah.
I'm bring my friend them and we spend money. So when I can talk about book, I know me not get a cent, not even gas money, and I don't feel no way. Because of you me do it for. And you tell me, say, you're max up a thing for rare, and me say, alright. And me come, J.A. me reach there and play and work and do what me do and cut. When me I cut my ask for anything, sir?
No.
So why would the man tell people say, him book me, J.A. Flex cannot book nobody, Flex cannot book
him probably just say, yo, you play the party though, you know? Like,
no, he never said that.
He's giving me, him not think him as MPA still.
He said book me for more than one party. I get the impression like, Foota because me I spend money with Foota and I book him and him a go around me and a style.
Me don't know about the party them before because enough party up your Flex supposed to do, you know. So before.
No, so Flex never appear. J.A. Me can tell her this, me can put on my gathering, take care of that way. Flex has never paid me for a party in my life. I always me I give Flex a strength. Yeah. And this party when I walk, I talk me see for MUMZELL live, but him book me. Nigga, you can book me. Foota try help you all when me in a deal. All when me in a deal, me involved in a thing so you can eat. So oh Foota bad mind.
Remember say it bigger than the party or something here, that situation.
No, J.A., but you know I get what me I say. Even though it's bigger than that, yeah. I am not telling any lies on Flex. Why am I going to tell lie for me to blogger? Cause I want them write up thing out there to make it look like Foota or a bad mind, wicked boy. Me not appreciate that.
I know a star.
Flex.
I know a
Just
star.
you get caught between two friendship, you know.
Yeah.
Are you a friend? Are you a
friend? I'm sorry, you know, me can't do so much Foota, you see me?
No. Watch this now. Watch this now. As a friend, when it boils down to the truth, it doesn't matter who a friend. You have something named the truth.
Yeah. But you ask me if I'm answer you. You see me? So
No, I'm not saying you lie. I'm not saying you lied. Yeah. You are not the problem. You are the person who have the solution. Because you know, so me tell us, me not too flex them because when me there at jail, them not look. And then when me come out, them a style it like them care about me. So we trick the crowd and tell them so me get deport. Once them find out so me still the American, nobody not ask about Foota again. Me not there at jail. You know, send a thing from my books.
Yeah, me feel like that this me feel like say yeah, cause before the whole of this story and none of this thing never
who
really.
Go public? Well, let me ask you, Jay. Who go public with it?
Yeah?
Who go public with it?
Who first do a live?
MUMZELL. She do 3 live. So all them want blame Foota now feed public. I wanna hurt on yourself. Me never tell nobody that 15 year what a thing. I mean never tell you that Jay. I mean you're close.
Yeah,
so why them run go social media? No, them go on social media try make me look bad. After me help them in a life, them never help me yet, Jay.
Yeah.
FLEXX never help me in a life yet, mother. We got studio, you drop me places, driving in your car, cause you alone did have car. Me give you props. But oh, you gonna come and tell people about you book me. Made a whole argument about dance. J.A. I mean and J.A. this part.
Your FLEXX are forward from far, you know. You see me?
Yeah, but me and a liar. J.A. me and a liar.
No, listen, me know, me never use a youth to talk it, or you see it, or you see me, exactly how you know it. You see me? But what me I say is, your FLEXX, a friend, you see me? Like from longer time, I say once when you was that close as a friend, when you're supposed to can sit down and have a reasoning, like as
exactly, me agree with you. But watch this now. Remember say, when him hurt me never vex with him. Me no go social media, me no do nothing. Me hold it like a thugs and we keep it internal.
Yeah, but you'd consider you would have to feel situation more sensitive though.
No, it's not sensitive, it's worse.
It's worse because yes, me.
Him get what him do to me in a tenfold. And I gotta beat him and me, because me never know the youth of mine either. But me no want to talk about the youth, J.A. Me done after the youth. The youth I don't mind, nothing can change about that. That's gone through the window. Yeah. What I'm saying is, why are you telling vloggers and bloggers that you book me to party and you book me too much time? I mean a pussy, cause me I take your bookings and yet still me not like you, me not really. You never book me yet, FLEXX.
Oh, he probably attack as if Johnny when I see him venue all the time. I say
no, we're not talking about booking when you book some. When you book some,
if you not pay your stay, it get where you are saying a Foota, a man not pay you and him can't send book you.
Him never say no. Him never say to the woman say, you know say Foota play my party over there. And me and him did a whole vibe. Him say me book him. MUMZELL say me never book Foota for a party or foreign and never book Foota for a party and pay me yet. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's other reason they might give. So they might give the impression like they must spend money with me. FLEXX never spend $1 with me yet, dog. I need to put money in your pocket. Because when they put Foota hype on your dance, Foota hype is the brand. Foota are the man, you know, big Foota. You know, I mean, I do this from Jamaica. Trying to keep event a grand spend all about the place. And I've never collected $1 for the youth. Talk about the good me do, don't talk about the bad alone. The bad when me do you know. Are you first do it and you broke the friend code first? And me broke it and hold it and just keep a secret. Me could have hype on him long time with it. Them I can't just studio with their call me yellow juice and say me not fuck not now. Me could have bought it and say I want to be a fuck right now. So But fuck man. Me not do that. But anyway, Jay, me not really want to get too much
Yeah,
involved.
you see it, so me I try
Yeah,
to involve in
yeah, but they just want you to tell me if I hear a party or if you give me the money. I'll know me not get no money.
But, you know what? Well, I know I'm me and Flex party, you know, but I'm me talk to you and book you, and you even tell me, as me say, there you have the argument, and you say, yeah, me I do that the party because of you, you know, because me and Flex no good.
All right.
You see
All
me?
right.
I'm say, all right, and then me even show Flex say, listen, me did Foota from now, just you see me? You see
Exactly.
me?
Because
So,
one time I get away, I'm a call it down, I say, J.A., oh, flex a move, so.
yeah,
I flex party, and you said, no, that.
yeah.
Hold on, J. Hold on. J.A.?
Beg them to resolve it, yeah.
No, man, listen to J.A. Nothing that if you resolve, you know. Because me and him, no in a
Yeah,
beef. But what me
yeah,
not like when people I tell lie for me dog. And I make me look like the pussy. When you are the pussy. Because you never do nothing to me in a life to help my life. Me do things here all the while. I make a talk the rest without a J.A. But that's why you clarify your part. I mean, I have 1 million more witness when we can call. We are going to make him look like a shit house. You understand me, I say?
yeah.
So, big up yourself, J.A. And go and hold your son.
All right, bro, God.
Big up all the people them who call me and I said, done it. As I'm telling the people, usually me listen to them, me not listen nobody. I me not quarrel, I me not cuss nobody other, you know, me not diss him up and style him as no batty man, I me not tell him boy him mad and nothing. I go show him today, say me are the best thing happen to the whole of them, the whole gully side, everybody. Me are the pivot point of greatness where the whole of them are live off. See? And me, them come back a style. See? Even MUMZELL, where you say a style me want she come on the live and me and her talk. Fear part. Cause it look like she forgot. But me remember, so me want to talk it in front of her. Me have time today. And me go show you say, now make social media fool you know, with some people who are run up on this and come trick on and attack in a feed them favor and not talk the truth. Zine, boom, so now. I could get back into it. Zine, FLEXX comes so. Get the offer from Deviant for the under. Zine, the under, him tell Mother say he want 11 dub plate. He might look for Mother not answering him call him. Me remember it like I yesterday, and I forgot nothing. Boom, son. Me dead up on the bridge, me and Vado. Me see me phone ring. Hey, Foota, where you there? See me there bridge. Where go on? Him say, where singer? Say, singer there, so beside me. That time FLEXX there over there, sir. Cross the next side of the gully. See? Boom, man come, sir. So the man now answer my call. Me I say, me there hang up the phone. Me say, singer, how you now answer? Dog phone. Boom, him come cross, we meet at the middle of the bridge. See? Me, MUMZELL have 2 pages. So when you stop text that, boy, you black MUMZELL so she see. MUMZELL can see. A woman them have about 40 pages. So, comes up, boom now, and the argument start. And the man I said, dog, so, dog, you can't give me the song, then me go get the car, me need the car. And Vado say, yo, me can't give you 6 or 7 nice song them. Now I go give you the whole 11 song. Me, you know, like a big idiot. Take it up on my head. I argue with singer and said, dog, if I 11 song the man want to go get the car, dog, I 11 song if you give the man my you. Where you give the man 6 or 7 song for? That now gonna make him get the car, dog. A fuck you do. Why with singer, me a singer go at it. Over FLEXX, I know my car. I know my car, I know me forget the car. I know me sing dub. Me not sing dub, and me not try to get the car. Me should have shut up and allow it. See? Me fi shut up and allow it. Me not fi defend the thing. And I tell singer say my pussy and the people. You see the mash me and my father mash up. I choose me a different people round. We in the thing long time when I feel to get treated better. And that make me a singer machine. Flex are one of them that. See? Bumson. Big argument over the car thing. Whatever I'm going to get the car. Couple years up the line. Flex. Make we talk. Where you know Apilus from? How you get the BMW where you did have a Jamaica? Make we talk now, man. The BMW where you did have a Jamaica. The black BMW. How did you acquire this car? Are you buy it? Make a reason. Are you buy it? Who buy it? Apilus buy it. Apilus buy it. Where you know Apilus from? How Apilus sign it? You didn't know say me and Apilus sit down and build the name Apilus. And when company start and me advise me in every decision. You didn't know say me never want you get the BMW, you couldn't get it. You didn't know say me set up. When we had discussed the car affair. But probably you don't know these things. Make a reason. When the car thing put on the table, because all business decision for Apilus at that time was between me and Apilus. Okay? Sometimes not nice involving in some of my decision and paperwork. So let me tell you. When the boss tell me say, you want a BMW, me say to the boss, say, him can get a Beamer, man. And the man say, well, if me buy him the Beamer, it have got done the money when my budget for spend on him for the car. Me say, here where you do then, my boss. Buy him one of the latest Honda since him have a Honda already. Buy him one of the latest model Honda and give him the rest of the money in his pocket. See? The man, see paperwork there. See paperwork there. So we got to talk something today where the public no know. So the boss I say, Lord Claude Foota, I got to talk to you. And the boss talk to Flex. And Flex say, no, him no want a Honda. Remember the boss not tell him say I'm easy so you know. Him no know say me and the boss are talking. See? Him no know every money where him get every decision me involved in. See? Boomson. Him come so and say, no, the Beamer M1. I Beamer M1. I Beamer straight. So the boss say, Foota, we give him the Beamer. I say, from him want the Beamer, and the missus give him the Beamer. And I look back happy, and I say, happy. Oh, him I gonna maintain the Beamer. Me feel like the wisest idea is to give him the latest model Honda and give him the rest of money in my account. Happy say no. If I the Beamer him want, Beamer we are buying. He must know how him I gonna maintain the Beamer. Boom, him get the Beamer. See? Happy give Flex a debit card and give Aishana a debit card. With money on it for them go spend. Remember, this is not Flex friend, you know. This is my friend, you know. This is my general, you know. All these decisions came to me. It me did say happy, no, it nah, Zine, Aishana get a debit card. She never signed to Apilus. So Apilus get less money per fair card than Flex card. Zine, within a week or two, Aishana limit fair card. Buy beer, clothes and sitting and done that. She could have still have that card the same way. Because they have a name on it of Apilus Entertainment on it and Aishana on it. And female have Apilus Entertainment on it and Flex or OMARI anywhere where you want name pan female. Them done the money. See? It's not no girl called all of this Dennis. Woman are gonna be woman and woman are gonna broke man heart. And woman a go style man, and how you deal with it as a man. Remember say people, if me was a bitch, and a little sissy, and a little run to me there, a 15 year me a hold a secret yeah. A 15 year me a hold a secret. Me could have been style your Flex, me could have been clown you out, me could have been laugh off of you. Remember, uno a laugh off of me, say me nah fuck nothing. And me a hold it, say me nah fuck nothing. Uno will call me yellow juice, and me bear it. Wanna tell killer say, Flex, take him girl where killer laugh to. I say, what kind of thing I should do to you? Everybody laugh. I was a laughing stock at the studio. So if me never real, me could have take it and clown a long time youth. Me been know say me and the girl have sex. Me never know say she pregnant am my youth. But me and her have sex long time. Even in that time when I not clone me before she even breathe or nothing. Me I forget. So me could have used that and style you. Me never style you. So come and talk the truth. Them life-changing thing the way a BMW and back thing. Ask him. If me not look on him when him get the BMW run as Susie's. Since me a bad mind you, tell the people the truth. Me not look on you and say, that be my cause problem in a flex. Him say, what you mean? Me say, your father go kick off. Your father go kick off. Them man didn't like when you drive where I drive. Come over there have a 2-door BMW, the coupe, the white one. I ain't gonna get the 3 Series 4-door. Him say, yo, nobody with that in a foot or 3 and the man no good. Say, alright. You don't have to believe me. And them time that me and father not deal. So, him just feel like say I true me and father not deal. Me I say that. 3 weeks or more, or 4 weeks or about a month. Him and father at World War 3. Who don't remember when them a war big time, sang and sing against one another. Who a tell who about who from a in a song and bass sitting and flex up on stage. We have the video them. Me did tell him. Ask him, call him out, me not tell him. Say you and father are gonna mash up. As God has me witness, God take me, strike a lightning, kill me, tear me not two years. So. Ask him. You understand what I say? So what me I say is now you. Oh, you cannot tell people say, you book me, and you this and you that, and me grudge you for your things. Which things do they have? People, this youth seminar come, me can't go back a cassava piece. Can't go back and don't choose to go back at 2 different things. Can't go back and don't choose to go back to 2 things. I'm going to go cassava piece all the time. Shade, me I got chill, but I want them stop paint me as the bad person. Because anybody in an alliance, qualified, no say me the man. No for the opportunity that them get and me create it. And me make them make money. People, me I go far back. Me go way back. When Cash Money come at Jamaica, DJ Khaled, Cash Money come at Jamaica. And my friend keep the show. Pay Dark Entertainment to promote the show. Listen this, you know. How far back me I look out for them youth, you know. This is before nobody boss. So FLEXX, Movado, Kibaki, Foota, the whole away I suffer. Credit and loan boss. With from Grand to Jungle, nah no head. My friend keep a show a cinema too with Cash Money and Cartel and Sizzla Kalonji. Them time the Sizzla Kalonji album hot. D White them can tell you is my friend from Tower Hill keep the show. DJ Frost can tell you now. And me and him in I brings account the money and I pay the people. Me book Singing Blacks, FLEXX in the Complex, Kibaki, and Predator. Listening now. FLEXX, nah no hit. Kibaki, nah no hit. Movado have one song. PL have. No, Movado no bus yet. The bus no come yet. Predator alone bus. But yet still, my book, my 4 friend them. How a bad mind man can do these things. And me pick up DJ Khaled at airport and me book him in a Hilton. Oh, you carry up and down. When Khaled play up on the stage and me a pop back him record them film. Can record them time there. How can Foota be biased and bad mind when I've been putting money in y'all pockets from nothing? How am I bad mind? Oh, me hate you and grudge you for your things. Which things? Which things? Come tell the people, if I lie me, I tell. When the show done, me give all out the money. Give Kibaki money, give FLEXX money, and me give Predator money. My father get money too. Everybody make it. I saw me dealing my thing. So, oh no, una can say, Foota bad mind. True, una there foreign, I walk up and down. Remember the hungry days them. You understand what I say? So, Make a reason. How Foota bad mind your flex? How you pay me if it, how you book me? When you keep the little thing on a grand spend, run at the little water party where you keep on Sunday. How much Sunday am I around there? You ever pay me? You ever buy me a drinks? When we run a fake and I give the strength, yeah. Ask Savage and the whole of them, because they do on there. You ever give me a drinks? Exactly, the man upset with me, like a me give him jacket. The girl fuck on me and she fuck on you too, brother. So how you and MUMZELL now cost how many name reach night in the first place? We're not supposed to reach night and say me a pussy and for suck my mother and be a thing. Cause I know me. I know me. I know me, Brabby. When have you ever paid me for anything? People, I'm going to show you the next story again. Understand, you know, this live is not about FLEXX. Not about my father. It's about FLEXX. But because we so close as friend and par everywhere, some of the story them, father name I figure car. See? But it's not about father. Right now, FLEXX and me can go back a cassava piece. Tell him, me buy him ticket tomorrow. Me will buy him plane ticket tomorrow. And him go run a fig and make me see. Him be just, then me buy him a ticket and him go run a fig and FLEXX you not come from Grand Spend. Tell the people them the truth. You have been an orphan from your band. You not come from Grand Spend. Auntie is not your mother. Terror Kid mother is not your mother. Bunny G them and your sister. The dupes where that take care of the yard and I buy the whole pack care of them. And your family. I put the people and put you up on a Grand Spend and you look at you. Your parents them the business with you. And since you're a big man and come a foreign, you know your father. Your father never business with you. You can talk to me about cassava piece of my born and grow. Tell the people them where you're born, brother. No fuckery. A real thing. Want him stop tell lie, Bridget. Stop tell lie, dad. Stop tell lie. When people are tear me down, see? When people are tear me down, want you tear me down with the truth. Tear me down with the truth. See? Richard Palmer, Terrani man a brother. Them man a brother. I put him up from long time. Them man a brother, so me could talk now. You talk about me. Bad mind you for what? Me didn't know so none I care them man a yearn. Remember me didn't know that dog. Foota you talk to, you know. It's me. You understand? Me born a cassava piece. Me born a lot 47 cassava piece. In front of Lalicana. I know me come from where come a piece. My born there. You know born a Grand Spend. And right now you alright. People, you want to hear better than that? Make FLEXX join the live and tell we. Oh him and Kibaki in a deal. Make him come on the live. Come tell we how him and Kibaki don't deal. What make you and your close friend Kibaki don't deal today? Me just a talk, me not business, me don't care about nobody. For years now, everybody when me help, paint me as the bad guy. And now tell people, say I me do the most good for them. Tell him to come on the live and tell the people why Kibaki eat you like poison right now. Bloggers more want to put up this so Kibaki can see it. Can we can add him to the live and then add Kibaki to the live as him done talk. So tell him join the live. Tell him unblock me and join the live. Can claim saying block me like a girl. Me not block y'all now. A girl do them something there. Come now man, tell the people them why you and Kibaki in a deal. Okay, you want me to talk and you not join. Okay. I gotta tell them. Because since them attack and I make me look like the bad guy. He might watch it, you know, people. Nobody feel like say FLEXX now watch this, you know. FLEXX I watch this right now, you know. Him good I watch it from JA phone right now, you know. See? So watch this now. See? Him there foreign. Everybody meet rough time in a foreign. Zin, Kibaki, woman. Not even woman. Kibaki, baby mother. You don't want to hear wickedness now? You don't want to hear wickedness now. Kibaki, baby mother. Put up FLEXX in our basement because him now know where to stay. So I could get into the depth of the thing them now and see how bad mind work. Kibaki baby mother, put up FLEXX in the basement, him living at the woman basement. I run gambling house in the woman place, I be a man and weed, and the woman I say, this can't work. Caution him about it, really. Him dead till him start look Kibaki baby mother. Then I tell the woman say she a idiot because she has send money come to Jamaica come to Kibaki. And Kibaki have be a girl down there. Snitch out on the man and I beg the man baby mother pussy after the man baby mother put you up in the house and I red eye show the woman I send money go give Kibaki at Jamaica. Come on live, come tell me say lie me I tell. Tell the people them why you and Kibaki in a deal. I mean I name some more friend when I deal with them. I go tell them why you can't even look around a grand spend. You can't even pass around there right now. Only thing different, Kibaki baby mother, which is him fiancé now, call Kibaki and tell him. FLEXX never get a lie me I tell. Want to say a lie me I tell? Want to just say a lie me I tell? Oh, okay. Okay. So, him come Sabam now, and the girl vex about it, because she say, oh, Kibaki, if you beg me if you put you up in the house, make you stay. Zine. And you are going to come now, I try bantan me if I send money to the man, and I try fuck off the woman in the house. You understand what I say? So, tell the people them, come forward and tell the people them, why you and Kibaki in a deal. You understand? Okay. We have an next friend named Rakila now. I'm going to the history now. We have an next friend named Rakila. Remember, before me and FLEXX them start par, them in a crew named Mafidai crew. You have Rakila, Terror Kid, FLEXX, and Singing Blacks. The crew named Mafidai. Zine, Rakila, Terror Kid, FLEXX, and Movada, them time they name Singing Blacks. As a matter of fact, you could name Blacks then time there. So, Rakila is one of FLEXX's original friend from day one, before me. Me know Rakila different from knowing him through FLEXX. Me know him after me knowing him. FLEXX them and him a par in the same DJ crew. See? No, me can call any name. Me not make up no story. Ask him why Rakila wants to screw off him head now. When him a come a fire him take Rakila 300,000 and run away with it. After the man had to work a fire station and save him money. You rob your friend and cut. You rob your friend and cut. Talk the truth, now come join the live. Since you're on live for day, why you want to join MUMZELL live? I don't want to join my own. Join my live. A whole lot of things me not talk yet. Hold it. Thousands of stories, man. And like if you got to say a Foota, I know some stranger will just see you on social media and I know you. It's me. It's me. Foota. The youth who used to feed everybody. At one point I made done. So please, yo, me can talk all 1 million story. I went him forward on the live, me have million more. And me, Foota hype this. Foota hype. Me. You know, say honestly, me don't know where FLEXX come from. Because FLEXX not born a grand spend, you know. Flex don't ban a grandspend. People that Flex live with a grandspend is not in family. You understand? It's not in family. So they might come talk about me can't go cassava piece. No. The man never stop me if I go cassava piece, him dead and him mad and a ban it. That's impossible. Me choose to stay out of the mix and the problem. Cassava piece is a hot place. As the other man apart, the next set of man they are pre you. That set of man they go kill that set of man they them say, yeah man, a Foota I do run this one. And a Foota I do run this one. So guess what me do? Take on myself completely. And nobody can blame me for that. Me I live for me youth them. You understand me? I live for a better life. I cannot take people to jail for what I not do. And I get locked up every minute for what I not do. And I name a call for everything what I not do. So me leave out cassava piece. You understand? Yeah. So come make a reason. You not talk to Rakila because you thief him money. See? You not talk to Kibaki because you want him woman give the money where she has sent come give Kibaki. And I beg him woman pussy after the woman put you up in the basement. Talk the truth now, man. Talk the truth now. Kibaki, realest youth. Kibaki never bad mind him friend. Me and Kibaki never have a bad day yet. Oh, you and Kibaki done. Kibaki no want to see you. The whole grand spend want kill you because you this Kibaki. You this them king. Because Kibaki a grand spend king. All of him not boss. All of him not boss big. I him them love from football days till now. Oh, you say you have your things and you rob your friend them. As bad as things may be, as bad as God as my witness, you never hear my father say me rob him. You know how much millions of dollars me hang for my father? You know how much millions of dollars me hang for my father? Both US and Jamaica and me never. All in me carry them and and me carry money go give him and him not give me $1. Me drive where gone. Never rob them here. Never. Oh, you rob Rakila. Rakila do him look a fire station or they have more can talk to you in FLEXX. Some would like you join the live. And please on the tag MUMZELL business page now. Me don't want to start talk about she till she up on the live, you know. More talk to her up on the live. Because she seem to be all up in this thing a whole lot. So I don't really want to say nothing. But MUMZELL situation until she up on the live. More add her to the live. You understand? More add her to the live. Me don't want to talk behind her back. Don't she say me and her are the big friend and everything? Well, me ain't a friend no more. But me don't want you to talk behind my back and me to talk behind your back. Shine the live. Me put everything out there. You just talk everything what you know about me and me talk everything what me know about you and see who I got have the upper hand in idea. Come MUMZELL, come. I'm not have to say nothing derogatory about you. Nothing. Nothing disrespectful with reason. And just speak truth today. Today is Sunday. Forward and make you speak truth. Just be a truth. Now, if you say me a lie, me call a witness. We can prove it. Say a true me attack. And then when me cut off the witness, me add you back. Today me have finished this, you know. Today me have finished this. Yeah, man, she said enough things about me, man. Foota wicked, and him should do FLEXX that, and Foota. That are the first day. Come watch all of them, you know. Watch all of them. And then when me come live, she kind of change her mouth a little bit. See? And then what day when the mother come now, she change her mouth totally and say she not business with FLEXX and she not business with Foota, that I feed them thing at the girl she deal. They never said that from the beginning. And why did you feel say you must go live, but put up my pitney and me? It wasn't your business. Put up the mother. So for that reason there, and nothing else make me I done in MUMZELL, you know. Remember saying, you know, from MUMZELL and FLEXX in her things, she changed. Because people me and MUMZELL was like so. Like so. After that she changed. Me there prison. Me there prison 4 months. This are the first pre when me really pray her. See? Because I see her move off key before, you know. I mean I said nothing. Come here, say, Chuck. People living their life here, man. I can't free nobody. You see when I go jail now, I don't hear from MUMZELL. Nobody not say MUMZELL ask me now. That's when come out, and we say we got flap kingfish now, and lock it put up, say, hold it on the ground, me done. Zin, because me deliberately come from jail 3 days before me even send up and go up on the social media. I'm out when nobody on the show if me out. So them I wonder if me get deported and go to Jamaica or if me they are foreign. Zin? So me, Dennis, listen me now Dennis man and stop type and just pay attention man. Zin? So me come so boom man. Me I say to my people them say, watch it play. When them things say me going to Jamaica, people are gonna start chatting, people are gonna start saying, the first person kill himself. I the one named Kingfish. Because him don't know nothing. So Royal Entertainment has proved. Plus other people, I'm not going to call them name right now. Because I don't want to mix up nobody. But we can mix up my team. So when it comes to boom and lock it, put up, say, hold it on the ground, my general. Fish mix up, jump out. Come. Yes, the boy get deep. Maybe man never listening. And the whole I will sit down and laugh. Zin, because we are showing him say, you play yourself. And we are dead in laugh. And I say, you pussy all you. Big laugh, we are laugh and a drink. And I show them say, that pussy ain't incredible. All him do is watch people Instagram page and feel like say him have information. A batty boy that him not relevant. We plan it out. Aisha, we plan it. Zin, here people are calling asking me, Mataran, everybody. Because they want confirmation if me get deep or if me they are foreign. Zin? So, as so now, flex him now. Remember me they are jail from December 14 and come out in April. At that time you ask me, and I tell a man, so John was stormy, did want to put a thing on him book, but show me did busy. So you're busy from December 14 to April. If you put something on my book, J.A. put something on my book, and you and J.A. apart, but you don't know, say, you could have linked Ray, right? So, come so, boom, and realize, say, him want to get confirmation. So, him not get no confirmation, him not get no reply. The big Dan, from the day December to April, the big Dan not check for me. He want to ask question if I'm good or not, but he not reach out for help. The day when the thing, King mix up, put up the thing, and everybody brain twisted, them don't know where me there. Him call and ask me to, Zin, if me there up here, if me gone to Jamaica. So them don't know. When them can't find out nothing now, see Royal Entertainment up on the phone, here comes MUMZELL now. Because them know say me and MUMZELL supposed to be close. Here comes MUMZELL. I call down the world and ask if me there at Jamaica and we are dead with laugh. So she calls Cher. Come again call name. She calls Cher at Jamaica. And Cher tell her, say, me don't know. Me don't know when there. So here are. Remember Foota me general, you know. I'm wondering if the general good in the car. Me say the general jump out, you know. So from December, you never care about the general. But through the mix-up go on the page now, so me get deport. I don't want confirmation to keep party and laugh to say me get deport. So Sherry tell her say she don't know. And she say, Sherry, me know say you know, me hear say you talk to him. And she say, no, me don't know nothing. Zin, and show them off. Zin, why say them call rooster too? Me don't even know if they call rooster. So people me are showing you where the corruption are going from when. Zin, MUMZELL done fully tech side. Zin, from that, alright. Then if you are look for me, when me come out of jail, right? Because you want to know if me good. You not get no information that day there. Couple days after that, Zin, me come out, put up, me watch and me ring. People know say blood clot Foota make a post. So me they are foreign. Everybody know me they are foreign now. She no link me. She no ask. You know, link back the same people that I link and say, yo, tell the general more link him. Up to now, MUMZELL never business with me. When MUMZELL talk to me, I was there on a JA show. And up on stage, she talk to me when she host. And then she see me up at Triple Thursday. I ask me about the picnic and FLEXX business. She never care about Foota hype. She never care about Foota hype. So when I come go on like one of these good people, one of these friends, where were you all when Foota hype was locked up? One of the greatest wish was for me to be deported. That was the greatest wish. And MUMZELL really not start a conversation yet, you know. That I just want to lick a party, you know. More you join the live. Tell them if you ever call and ask for money, they are prison. And if you ever look out for me, tell them, come talk, and me have some more things, but we don't want to talk it without you on the live. Because I don't want nobody say me have talk me in your back and me I say when I go so. You understand what I say? And you know I'm not black nobody. No, I'm not black nobody. Because I know what them are going to do. Them are going to go under the fake page them. Come over and say some things to make it look like some people are born out Foota, some people are great Foota. But that is not what it's about today. I don't care about that. I just want to settle all of that chattings here and show the people them say, me, do for uno, me not for unblock her. She have more than one page. She have her business page. Oh, people are live here got done. When you call MUMZELL and thing, and when you can call me and tell me say she ready to go live, and join live. Come here, me witness them line up, you know. Yeah, man, I'm a witness. It's like when you see J.A. join the live, I have one more witness line up. I just wait for she or FLEXX come forward. And then we deal.